Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create an eye-catching poster with the CapCut AI poster feature. So here on the CapCut homepage, you just need to click on expand to see all of the menu available and you'll see AI poster. So click on that. So by using this AI poster, you can easily create a poster, for example, for your brand, social media. For example, you want to create a poster about discount or sale, or for example, this smart script, the new summer dress is on sale. Spend $50 to get $5 off. So what you need to do is just click on, I'm going to just use this smart script. So there is also an advanced script, so you can just here just add information, but I'm going to just use the smart script. Here click on this plus icon to add a photo for your poster. I'm going to add a photo first. Here let's try to add, okay, I'm going to use this photos right here. Click on add. Now I'm going to write the script. Okay, for example, here I'm going to just write summer sale 50% discount for selected items, and after that you can adjust the size, the marketing type, promotion, product display, try on look, or branding. I'm going to just use promotion. Here you can also change the category, clothing and shoes, beauty and personal care, and other. You can just choose the one that you want to use. I'm going to just go with clothing and shoes, and after that just click on generate and wait for CapCut to create the poster. You will provide with lots of options, so just choose one that you like the best and you can upload it for your social media. So for example, I'm going to, okay, I like this one. Just click on the poster that you want, and after that you can also edit it more, but you can also export and it will be automatically saved to your gallery. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.